Hello again, I'm PM Darcy. To be able to offer ComExpress Mini Type 10 with the latest Intel A10, X1000E and X1000RE series platform, it's my honor to be here to introduce DFI ASL9A2, which aims at markets like industrial automation, ruggedized transportation, and communication. Intel A10 product line is optimized for power-efficient devices by 60W TDP. However, it's first time that we are able to have up to 8-core configuration that brings significant AI performance improvements on both CPU and GPU. And if you don't mind, I will describe DFI ASL9A2 is like iceberg because it is able to have configurations you wish by ComExpress interfaces to fulfill different applications on carrier board, such as for PCIe by 1, 10 USB, 1 Ethernet, 2 UART, 1 DDI, and 1 LVDS or EDP. We are always open for any technical topics as a start point if you wish. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!